Hey legends, it's Pete here from Gold Coast Plumbing Experts. Just out here today in Bundall. Customer has blocked shower drains. So all we need to do is clean out all the water with the pump and then pour chemical acid down to sort it out. So this is the drain here. It's completely blocked up and it fills up very quickly when you turn water on. So it's just they've attempted to plunge it, but plunger won't work, so we'll have to use the drain clearing acid. Hey legends, so I've just finished cleaning out this shower. It was full of the builder's bog and like lots of tilers, grout, heaps of rubbish. So cleaned out about 3 bags full of tilers and grout. If you're experiencing any issues with blocked shower drains and you want us to investigate and have a look, just feel free to give us a call. So this is the finished product. It is it's all flowing now. We've had it under test for about 5 minutes, so that's all going. This is one of the main causes of the blockage. It's just a piece of rubbish that was left down there. So our Venturi pumps was able to pull it out and repair it. So job well done.
Call Gold Coast Plumbing Experts on 1300 600 632.